IC&M Project Alain Modern Kitchens. Removal of previous lounge and kitchen floors and new natural grey flooring installed with grace. Integrity team hard at work laying each tile perfectly by hand. Professional floorer adding finishing touches and aftercare floor products for a lasting shine. Back door entrance sealed and new double sliding doors installed with integrity. New kitchen plug sockets and electrical chasing installed to provide under-counter and kitchen lighting. The kitchen ceiling was plastered and rebuilt to create an open-plan modern kitchen area. Kitchen built-in units assembled and installed to client's design. Integrity team adding finishing touches to new kitchen renovation. Veneer shelving, cupboards and wine holder installed with LED backlights. The new dining table island was created with a black marble top and with ample drawer space. The zinc area was designed spaciously with a veneer marble top surface area. Project Alain completed by the integrity team with grace. Another delighted IC&M client. Thank you. IC&M Modern Kitchens. For quotes, call Edwin on 082 900 1974.